Hi, I'm Amanda Haberstroh. I'm liaison to the College of Nursing graduate programs, and I'm going to show you today how to make the most out of your 6-hour reservation allowance. At Lapis Library, you're allowed up to 6 hours of reservations per day. To begin, I'm going to click on Reserve a Room to be taken to the LibCal booking grid. From here, I can see which spaces are currently available as indicated by the green blocks, or unavailable as indicated by the red blocks. If I wanted to make a 6-hour reservation, I can do that by clicking on one green block and then adjusting my time at the bottom of the screen. So for instance, if I wanted to reserve this room for 6 hours, then I would take 1 p.m., add 6 hours, and then I could select up to 7 p.m. Now, if I want to divvy up those 6 hours, maybe do a little here, a little there, and not do 6 hours at one time, I can do that as well. First, I'm going to remove my reservation by clicking the trash can icon, and now I can select multiple slots. So let's say that I want to take an hour here, so I'll have this room from 1:30 to 2:30. Then maybe I have a class and I want to come back later, so I'll come back at 4:30 to 5:30. So now I've used 2 hours of my 6-hour block, and so I have 4 left. So I can come back at 7 and I can reserve until 11. One thing to notice, if I do my math incorrectly and I attempt to reserve more than my 6 hours, for instance, if I attempted to reserve until 11:30, I'll receive an error message that lets me know that I've gone over my allotted 6 hours for the day. So I need to make an adjustment. When I'm happy with my reservation, I can click on Submit Times. From here, I can make adjustments by removing one or all of my room reservations. When I'm happy with my reservation, I can click Submit My Booking. Here I will see the details of my booking, so I can see the room that I will be in, as well as the times and the date. Let's take a look at that confirmation email for multiple appointments. So it's going to look very much the same as the confirmation email for a single appointment. You see, I can see all 3 of my appointments. But one thing to notice is that even though I have 3 reservations, I only have 1 code. So when I check in for each one of these 3, I will use the same code each time. And I do have to check in for each individual appointment. So I will check in at 1:30, 4:30, and 7 o'clock using this same code. If I need to make any adjustments or cancel, I can click the link in the email and I'll be taken to the page where I can cancel those reservations. I can cancel one or all. And then I can make adjustments and I'll receive my 6 hours back. One thing our system will not allow is the simultaneous booking of multiple spaces during the same reservation. So if you do want to switch rooms throughout the day, you need to make those bookings one at a time. If you attempt to book 2 rooms in a single setting, you will receive an error message. So if I select this room and this room, you see I'll receive a message saying that I cannot do that. Now I can reserve the other room, just not in this setting. So I have to finish my reservation with the first room, submit the times, receive the confirmation email, and then go back and make the reservation for the second room. Now when we had multiple reservations for the same room, they used the same check-in code that was in the confirmation email. If I make multiple reservations across multiple rooms, each room will have its own check-in code. So I will receive multiple emails from LibCal letting me know what those codes are. Thanks for watching, and as always, please let us know if we can do anything to help.